Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 4 of chapter Cash Book. We will prepare the Cash Book of Jewelry. Question number 4. From the following transaction, prepare cash book and discount columnar cash book of Jewelry. Okay. First, April 2015 opening cash balance is 5,500. So here in the first April opening cash balance means balance brought forward. Here the two columns are there: discount allowed and amount. Means the receipt. What we received here, we debited here. If we allow the discount to customer, we write in this column. But only we write here the cash discount, or we will not write the trade discount. Okay. Here on the credit side, if we receive the discount from the supplier, then we write it in the discount received column, and the amount which we give to the party. Okay. So let's start. First April opening cash balance is 5,500. So we write here opening balance 5,500. Third of April, goods of 4,000 sold at 10% cash discount. We give the party 10% trade discount. So 10% cash discount. So 10% cash discount will be deducted, and if we take into the consideration as discount allowed, it is cash discount. So we write here. Okay. Remember one thing: we will not write trade discount. Trade discount will not be recorded in the books of account. Okay. So 4,000 goods sold. So 4,000 minus 10% cash discount, it is 400. So 3,600. So an journal entry will be cash to sell. Cash to sell. This means it will be debited in the cash account in the form we receive cash in the form of sell. So we write here to sell. So 3rd April to sales account. After deduction, it is 3,600. So 3,600 we receive, and we give the party discount rupees 400. So we write 400 in the discount column. Next, 4th of April, goods of 3,000 sold at 10% trade discount. We give the party 10% trade discount. So 10% trade discount will be deducted, but it will not be recorded in the books of account because it is trade discount. So 3,000 minus 10% trade discount, it is 300. So in the total 2,700. And the entry will be cash to sell. Okay, so again 4th of April to sales account, it is 2,700. We write after deduction, so we write 2,700. Now the next entry on the 5th April, case of rupees 2,000 paid to earth. We paid to the party. We paid to the earth 2,000 in full settlement of his account of 2030. We have to pay 2030 to earth, and now we pay 2,000 to earth. It means earth has given us 30 rupees discount. So we receive 30 rupees discount. Okay, and what will be the journal entry for that? We receive the discount. Okay, so earth account debit 2013, to cash 2000, and to discount received 30. Okay, so we paid here 2000. Okay, so 2000 we write here in the payment side, on which date it is recorded 5th of April. So 5th April, to whom we paid? We paid to Earth. So by Earth we receive the discount 30 rupees. So in the discount column we write 30 rupees, and we paid 2000. So here 2000. Next one, 10th of April, goods of 4000 purchased at 5% cash discount. We purchase the goods from the market at 5% cash discount. Now we receive cash discount from the supplier, from the party. So it will be taken into the consideration because it is cash discount. So 4000 minus 5% of it, 4 5 are 20, means 200 will be deducted, and it is cash discount, so it will be recorded. Okay, so we write here on the 10th of April, what is the journal entry for that? Purchase to cash. Okay, and hence we receive the discount. Okay, the discount will also be recorded. So by purchase we receive the discount of rupees 200, hence this change discount will be recorded here 200 and 3800. Payment to the party. Now next one, 13th of April, salary of 1000 and wages of 600 are paid by cash. So we paid salary 1000 and wages. So salary we debit 1000, wages debit 600, to cash 1600. So here we write 13th of April, by salary 1000, by wages it is again on 30th April, wages of rupees 600. Now 15th of April, commission 100 received and brokerage 900 received. So cash account debit to commission and to brokerage. So commission and brokerage we received. So cash account will be debited in the form of commission and brokerage. So we write here to commission and to brokerage on the 15th of April. Commission we received rupees 100, to brokerage we received the brokerage rupees 900. It is of 15th April. Understood, student? Now next one, 17th of April, case of rupees 1400 paid to Krishna in full settlement of 14,420. So we paid Krishna. We have to pay Krishna for the 1420, but we paid 1400 only. Means we have received the discount of 20 rupees. 1420 minus 1400, so it is of 20. Okay, so we write here 17th of April, and the Krishna is the creditor. So we write here by Krishna, we paid to our creditor. So 1400 payment and 20 rupees we get the discount. Now in the 18th of April, goods 5000 sold at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. So here we give the party both 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. So 5000 minus 10% trade discount means 500 will be deducted. So 4500 and it's 5% means 5 5 are 25, carry 2, 5 5 25 and 2, 275, 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, 4 2 2 5. 1 minute 5 5 are 25, 5 4 are 20 and 2, 22, 2 2 5. So here 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 2 7, 4 2 7 5. And we receive the cash discount 2 to 5. So here we what will be the journal entry for this cash account debit, discount account debit to sales account. So we write here 18th of April. To sell we receive the discount of rupees 2 to 5. So we write in the discount column 2 to 5 and after deduction the amount is 4275. Now the transaction of 19th of April, a machine of 6000 purchased from Ramesh, for which 2000 paid by cash, and it is decided the remaining amount will be paid after 1 month. Okay, here understand students, we are only concerned with cash goes out or cash comes in. Okay, and how much cash comes in or how much cash goes out. Okay, hence we purchased the machine at 6000, but we paid only rupees 2000. So we are only connected with the 2000, not 6000. So we record only 2000. Okay, so we record only 2000. And what cash goes out in the form of machine. So how much we paid? 2000. So we write here 19th of April by machine account 2000. Now 23rd of April, as more funds are required in the business, household furniture 3000 is sold for rupees 3500, and out of this 2500 are brought in the business. We are not connected with the how much what is the price of the furniture and what we get in return for selling the furniture. We are only connected with the how much we brought into the business. Okay, so we brought into the business 2,500. It is in the form of capital. Okay, so we write here to capital. We receive the capital, so cash to capital. So here we write 23rd of April to capital 2,500. Now 27th of April 225 paid to Vyapari Mahamandal towards the annual fees. Here the annual fees paid to Vyapari Mahamandal. Okay, so it is considered as swap expense. So swap expense to cash. So we paid 225. So we write here 27th of April by swap expense 225. Now 29th of April, go down rate 600 paid by cash. So go down rate to cash. We write here 29th of April by go down rate 600. And we also paid the carriage of 300. So 29th of April by carriage 300. Now we make the total. So 19,575. 19,575. So remaining is 7,650. It is considered as balance carry forward, and we carry forward rupees 1,500 to balance brought forward 7,650. Okay, and discount is 625, and here the discount is 250.